going on, everybody? Okay, yeah, no, I don't like that, but, woohoo! Yeah, no. But they added zombies. I don't know. Oh, wait, I'll reload.
Yo, what's up?
What's that? But, yo,
Alright.
Tommy! Yeah, but we got Orange George here with us in that fire outfit. But, yeah.
Wait. What's
We have
that?
to. Also, sadly, they didn't add a hippo. They added some dang duck. I mean, it's pretty cool, mainly because of the business suit kind of thing, cyborg. But I mean, it's all right. It's all right. It's not what I. But it'll happen. But yeah, they added duck and this Thane. Is that what? Oh yeah. Oh no, he bought something. He bought something.
Oh wait, what? Oh, I can get one of these. Whoa!
I say you get the turkey. I say you get the turkey.
I only have 2,000. I couldn't afford the big bucks.
No,
I was
big
like
buck.
$1 short. So instead,
No big
let's
bucks.
see. Let's see. I'm in a certain category that I want to be in.
I say you get the clown nose because you're a clown.
I could get
Yeah, but I am staying Mexican egg.
I can
Also,
get a
I'm gonna
banana
put a
hat.
post on my channel soon of Mexican hammy that this guy made. Yeah, I'll post that on my channel, probably like that photo. Cause like Mexican hammy. But yeah, we are gonna get into the zombies. Zombie join random event. Okay. I don't want to join a random. I want to actually like do it.
Yo, I can still get the wreckage set.
Oh my god. Bruh. Yo, they got rid of. They had something here. They got rid of it.
Yeah. So what are we doing today,
All right,
Jamie?
real quick. We are going to be fighting zombies, but I have to turn into Poco today because if you know, you know, Poco. Because I have my golden ukulele and I can heal people with it. Well, let me whack you real quick and then let me like heal you. Oh wait.
Whoa!
You want one too?
No, that's fine. It's
Oh yeah,
fine.
'cause I'm turning into the healer today. And because I'm the healer, Orange George will also possibly buy me a shotgun because he's a good boy, and also because I'm Sigma. Yo, wait.
Whoa, okay. I feels like I'm in an actual thunderstorm. When will it be dark?
Oh
When
wait.
will it be dark? When will
I
it
don't
be
like that.
dark?
Oh my gosh.
When will it be good? Silly.
Yo, look at on your right controller. I mean, left controller. You can scroll to see. Like you don't have to tap anymore. You have to scroll with your left Joy-Con. No, like with your left Joy-Con thing. Like if you're talking Nintendo, how you move in Fortnite. With that little ball.
Whoa.
I know.
What is this?
Yeah, I know. I have to use Fortnite logic on this fool. Alright, but enough stalling. I know I stall a lot in my videos, but I am tired of playing live and shotgun there. Anyway, are you ready?
It says.
Are you? I do not want to. No, right here. Where are the zombies? We're safe in here. We are safe right here. So what is that?
Oh, they're in!
They're
This is
here!
not the safe zone! It's not circle! It's where
Yo,
the
oh wait, they're like one shot.
The
It's not.
circle is the safe zone!
No, we're not safe here. I just got damaged.
No, we are.
This is not no safe zone. Heal! Hit him with my ukulele. Yo, zombie crate. Yo, what the nut is this? Yo, I just got this thing. Yo, reload me.
Keep it. Next round!
No, I'm not ready. Eat my granola bar. Slap that there. Bang, bang, bang. Yo, that has nothing.
Whoa, big boy.
Yo, yo. I have no ammo. Oh yeah, get boomed. Get boomsticked. Let me whack you with my guitar, Buckaroonie.
Ammo,
Yo,
where's my...
Where's Joe Heal? I got you.
Thank you. Wait, these monsters drop ammo. And gun!
Yo!
There's my second gun.
No wait, there's more. Oh crap! I'm gonna murder him with my ukulele. I'm gonna murder them with this. Just like 1, 2, clap, clap, woohoo! How did I miss that? Oh my gosh! Every shot I miss is like bad.
Oh my god, I'm out of ammo already.
Don't worry, I got you. I got my guitar. They
Wait,
died by
one
the.
shot with anything?
No, it doesn't one shot with anything, but oh my gosh! Gotta be good at spamming.
I tried to be respectful to you guys. And now, with this, it's all over.
Boom! Yo, the what? What the? What the what? Open! Ammo! Yes! I got ammo! Bam! Bam! I died! Chad, I died! What the? You're gonna have to attract them toward my body. Actually, wait. I can just reload. Wait. Well, I'm gonna reload real quick.
I just have a glimpse of the future. I'm gonna die. Ow!
Please have ammo. Ammo! No, 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 no! No, no, no! What? I just died again, bro. This is not. Okay.
Heals.
You need heals? You need heals?
Yes, heals.
Heals! Get out of here!
Oh, they're all dead.
Okay. We heal after every round of him. Remember, we have the cheese too.
Yep. Oh wait, it's under gadgets.
Oh my god! Ah! Heal myself. More like attack on these things. Bam, bam! Oh yeah, weave. Oh my gosh! Oh no! More like attack on these things. Oh my gosh, get! Oh, I'm dead. I am cooked. Let me get my weapon! Oh my god! What? I can't move! What is this? Yo, like, get them all out of here. I can't even get my weapon. I can't even do anything. They pick me up. They keep picking me up. Okay, and I fly all the way up here. Oh, thank you, game. Yo, trying to attract them. I can't even get my weapons without them, like, clobbering me.
I think I got him.
Eat! Oh,
Got him.
it's dead.
Ammo. Shotgun ammo.
You know what you have to buy now. Oh my gosh. Yo, I can't see.
With this, it is all over.
Oh my gosh, I almost died. Ah! Ah! Bro! They get me stuck! I can't move! I hate this mode! It's horrible. As soon as you get stuck in their grasp, like, you can't move.
Oh no, that's a lot of zombies.
Don't worry, I'll just open up the crates and I'll get the ammo and I'll shoot them. Oh my gosh! Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Buckaroonies, bro! You get stuck in them! No! Yes. All I know is I'm not surviving the zombie apocalypse. Yo, what the nut is this meat, bro?
Maybe try and eat it.
Oh crap. It's rotten flesh. Like in Minecraft. Yo, 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 they're coming.
Full HP.
Whoa! I got you!
Only 2 ammo coming from the shotgun. I'm not doing this.
Yeah, I know.
Shotgun ammo.
Yo,
I'm
I can
gonna
just get them.
die.
I can get them from up here, I think. Hi. Yo, you guys sound weird. You guys suck. Get better. Hey, stop it! Buckaroo! Stop it! Boom! Already have ammo. Okay. That's a lot of zombies.
I don't have that much ammo left.
Oh, I got ammo! Get out of here! Buster. Buster Brown, get your gat out of town. Run! Open that! Hopefully it's something. It is. Holy weed, the zombies. Yoink the ammo! Heal! Heal a little bit. I think I put it into that one. Then go over here, grab that ammo. Stop them out. Eat granola bar. Heal this fool.
Ah!
My bad. My bad.
You didn't even heal me.
I did. Oh, I damaged you. Open all these up. This is gonna drop mostly ammo.
I don't think it works. I don't think it works. I didn't even get healed once out of all that.
No, it works.
Didn't work for me.
It's just kind of butt. Hi. I'm wasting 2 ammo on each one. Why do I have to get stuck in the bench? Out of all the things I can get stuck in, it's the bench. Run, get the ammo, reload. Oh my gosh. Now that's a lot of zombies, and I just fell right to the whole horde. Okay. Wow, so I can just get stuck in the horde. You know what? Nah, I'm tired of playing.
Oh, holy crap!
Oh my gosh. I need to buy some exploding waffles. That's what I need to do. Get them all out of here and then attract them back. Before I respawn, get them all out of there. I need to make exploding waffles. Go! No! Why did my head get stuck? Why? Okay, nope. No, I do not like this mode. I do not like this shit. No. This is horrible. This is the worst mode they could have had.
These guys have collision.
Exactly. That's what makes them bad. Watch this. Oh, wait. Hi, boom! I just deleted like half of them. I actually just deleted like half of them.
What is this, bro? Let me buy.
Get out of here.
Holy crap.
Look
No
what I
way
just
my
got
gun
from-
didn't want to give me that 1 ammo.
I just got a
3
shotgun.
ammo.
Already? I'm not ready. I don't want no.
I think I know what the does.
What does it do? Gimme. What? Okay. Boom. Bing bang boom. Oh, Orange George has like 500 on him, but I'm gonna go help now. Oh yeah, we will. Bam! I don't want no shotgun. Oh crap. I'm cooked. Just kidding. I'm a pro.
Behind you, behind you, behind you.
Oh my gosh, what the massive? What the skid? What the skid? Why do I have to get slow now? Okay, go. Run. Okay. Ooh. Why does it have to get stuck in the crack? Oh yeah, weave. What? I know.
Wrong ammo can.
What? How come you spawn in? Okay. Come on, game. You can do better. I don't want that. Okay, thank you. Okay.
So that tells me shotguns don't want to work.
Run! Why do they have to have collisions, though? Why do they have to have collisions? Everything has 3 keys. That's not gonna be enough. Let me grab it! Thank you! Holy weave. Watch this weave. Okay, the shotgun's not good. Yes! Ammo I wanted! Bye! Bam, 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 bam! And then run. Bam, 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 and then just run. And I get stuck in the table. Thank you for stalling me. Eat the rotten flesh. That does not help. That's not helping me. The rotten flesh does not help. Okay. I should get a lance. I feel like if I have the range, I can actually do this. Okay.
No! Bush!
These monkeys have birth defects or something. Oh, it's just one monkey. Alright. How you doing? That was pathetic. Bye-bye. It's all I could have asked for. Was enough. Alright, give me my ukulele back. I'm gonna just slap
Behind
that.
you.
Okay, watch this. Crap. Okay, you see that? Nobody loves you. Okay, I need.
I have them all cornered at the VRs.
Oh, okay. Look at that. Wow. What? Holy weave. Yes. Oh my gosh. Go get the crate. What did it give me? Ooh. Ammo. I love it. I just missed like half of those shots. This reminds me of zombies from Big Scary, but instead the zombies in this one are like 10 times smarter. Okay, why did I just go? But that did like nothing.
because I'm in the safe zone.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
because I'm in the safe zone.
Okay, nah, zombies. Not today, Buster Brown. Oh, I don't have my thing, my ukulele. Run. Why don't they give me shotgun ammo? Nobody likes shotguns. Never mind, I like shotguns now. What is this? And when I shoot, it doesn't hit them. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, yeah, thank you for, like, not. Run! Please give me a weapon. Please. Not weapon ammo, you bot. Okay, it doesn't pick up. Get. Chicken. What? Okay, nobody loves you. Okay, well, I'm resetting. I do not like zombie mode. Wave 10. Oh well. We did good. This mode's kind of mid. Huh? This mode's alright. It's alright. It's not the greatest thing, but it is still pretty fun. Except for the fact that the zombies can just, like, they have collisions. I don't like how the zombies have collisions, though. That's what makes it bad. Oh wait, this is the safe zone, not down there. Here it is. Okay. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. Orange George, if you want to come back massive, go ahead. I'm actually see if it still works. That's gone. No, it's not. Try to switch it. Wait, what? Okay, I don't know where that went. Please be close. It's not even anywhere close. Well, let's try and make it to it. Yay! Oh my gosh, I missed. Chat. I missed it. No! Yo, that's that place. I missed it. Oh. Where am Chat, am I in hell? Am I in hell? Where am I? I think I landed in hell. I'm in the lava place. I don't even think Orange George is here no more. I like this update. Well, that's it, guys. Bye! Go off on death.